Soy un perdedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me, bitch? I'm a loser. Well, so she says about me. I count to the fact that she knocked me down on my ass and she dragged me all the way to hell, and she thanked me for showing me the path to delude me and giving me the tools to debunk me and making me a fool, and she gave me the tools to confuse and rebuke me. I'm a loser. Or so she says. Well, she really got me to look inside my head and debug me. She got so many flaws, but she plugged me. Got me looking out my ass. Can't you hear me? I'm a loser. Or so she says about me. Got your stone cold glance all around me. Got me feeling like it really, really could be that my life ain't worth shit but the bark of an old tree. But sometimes the bark can bite the hand that feeds you. Sometimes it bites the hand that slaps you. Sometimes it can nip the heels of the boots that stomp you. Sometimes it can strike out against the many phases of rages that encages the wages of the sinners that wade upon the shore of the shoreless tides of limbo strides that are knots, the binding ties that ride you, blind you, breaking you up on your strength and rationing them out to playful demons that plant their semen, birthing cursing imps that are nursing on the nipples of the brimstone laziness, feeding on a diet of fear and anxiety. Ha! It just might be me breathing and seething in a rage in a cage that I built for my goddamn self. I'm a loser, but I ain't lost. I find myself at all costs. Cause ain't no fair that could hold me to the dare that could compare to my own mother. Ain't no loser cause I choose to be me. Ain't no loser cause I choose to be free. Ain't no loser cause projections are beneath me and I refuse to choose your willingness to defeat me. So